Sanchez. I am the Food and Beverage Director here at Nick's in Beverly Hills, and I want to show you how to make an alcoholic cider drink. So the first thing we need to do is make our cider. You can buy spiced apple cider in a market nowadays, but you can also make your own. And to give you a quick recipe, you need half a gallon of apple juice, 6 Granny Smith apples, about 4 ounces of honey, a good teaspoon of cinnamon, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So you want to put all those ingredients in a pot and boil it, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer for about 45 minutes until the apples are nice and breaking down. You also want to chop your apples up to make the process go a little faster. After that's boiled, the apples are soft, let it cool, and then blend the whole thing with peels, apples, cores, and everything. Once you've blended it, you want to strain it, and depending on how thick or thin you like your cider, you can always leave a little bit of that pulp in there, which I find really tasty, so I do that myself. After you have that, then you have half of your drink made. So this drink will work hot or it will work cold. So right now we're going to make a cold version of it, and it's really simple. It's going to be 2 ounces of your favorite spice rum. I'm really into Sailor Jerry right now, so we're going to do 2 ounces of that. And about 3.5 ounces of your homemade apple cider, just like that. And we're gonna ice up a little bit. We're gonna shake it. Make sure it's locked. And that's it. So if you wanted this hot, all you would have to do is put it in a coffee cup or a heat-resistant cup and put your rum and add your hot apple cider. We're just going to pour it into a mixing glass, and it should be nice and frothy just like this. So if you calculate it correctly, this will be your result. And then to make it more festive, we're going to garnish it with, save one of those apples that you made your cider with and garnish your drink with them. And then get a little bit of cinnamon and just run it through the middle of the drink like so. Get yourself a couple of straws, and that's it. That is my version of an alcoholic homemade apple cider drink. My name is Luis Sanchez, and you can come visit me and try this drink here at Nick's Beverly Hills. Thank you.